Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound section. Now tap on the gray switcher next to Vibrate in silent mode to turn it on or off. Then scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. And last but not least, click on More Sound Settings, scroll down, and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on Touch to enable or disable vibrations for touches of navigation bar and device unlocking. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!